Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what Soundcore offer for the earbuds, and if we open it and try to add device, we can see supported devices. Firstly, trying to find it, and if it cannot, it showed for us opportunity to set up it manually, so we need to tap on it. Our model is Liberty 3 Pro, so firstly we need to select Liberty series. Tap on it, and right here we have Liberty 3 Pro, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your Android devices. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!